Hello, all. This is Leena Kanickaraj, Client Manager, Sales and Marketing. I'm having more than 20 years of experience and I'm here with ARC Advisory Group for more than 13 years. And today we have Anju Ajay Kumar, Senior Analyst, who is having more than 14 years of analyst experience. Anju has completed a market analysis report on low voltage AC drives. Today, she is here with us to discuss the scope of the report, the trends, the inhibitors, the leading suppliers, and how LVAC report will be beneficial to the clients. Anju, can you please brief on the scope of LVAC market analysis report?
Sure, thanks, Leena. So, the low voltage AC drive market segments that we are covering in this study include several categories. So, based on the power ratings, we start with micro drives, which are less than 5 kilowatts. Then we move on to low end drives, which cover 5 to 40 kilowatts. Next up are mid range drives, which span from 41 to 200 kilowatts. Following that, we have high end drives ranging from 201 kilowatt to 600 kilowatts. And lastly, mega drives, which is anything above 600 kilowatts. But that's not all. We are also covering other segmentations, such as geography, to understand how various regions are performing. We have also segmented the market based on industries, voltage rating, machinery applications, configuration, topology, as well as sales channel and customer type, thus ensuring a comprehensive outlook of the entire low voltage AC drives market.
Thanks, Anju, for briefing the overview of the report. It would be nice to know more about the supplier landscape for this market.
Yeah, so the low voltage AC drive market continues to be highly fragmented and fiercely competitive. The landscape consists of large automation suppliers with broad automation product portfolio, along with a spectrum of small suppliers with product portfolios ranging from drive-only products to drive and high-performance motion control equipment to drive with limited portfolio of control products. So these suppliers employ various strategy in the global market to achieve strong results across various end user industries, aiming to maintain or grow their market shares.
Great, Anju, to know that the landscape of LVAC drives report consists of large automation suppliers. By the way, what are the key growth or success factors of this AC drives market?
Yeah, there are many, but I would like to name a few. So, firstly, would be drive based functional safety. As industries continue to advance, the importance of drive based functional safety is becoming evident. So, the demand for safety integrated AC drive is gaining traction due to their ability to simplify machines of automation while ensuring the highest level of safety. So, safety integrated AC drives are designed to provide a comprehensive solution that combines the benefit of a standard AC drive with advanced safety functionalities. So, by implementing safety functionalities built into the drive, manufacturers can reduce the need for external safety components, thus eliminating the complex wiring and also enhancing the safety of machinery, along with making it the process more efficient and cost effective. Another major growth drivers I would say is reshoring of supply chains. Over the years, we have seen growing trend of companies moving back their manufacturing operations to their home countries. This trend is likely to continue in years to come as companies continue to look for ways to improve their supply chains and reduce their cost. As automation technologies continue to advance and labor costs in the developing economies are increasing, more and more companies are choosing to reshore their operations, thus bringing their manufacturing close to their customer base, and companies can improve their lead times, enhance product quality, and reduce transportation cost. Additionally, reshoring has also helped with global supply chain disruptions, which we have seen recently in the past.
Excellent, Anju, to know safety integrated AC drives are gaining traction and reshoring of supply chain are the key growth. Is there any growth inhibiting factors for this AC drives market?
Yeah. So the one of the major inhibiting factors that we have seen is the China's economic slowdown. So this slowdown is influenced by various factors. One significant factor is the real estate crash that has happened due to regulatory crackdown on lending, weaker consumer sentiments, and oversupply of properties. Additionally, pandemic also had an impact for a long time on this market. Now, Chinese companies are implementing various strategies to address this crisis, but the outlook of the real estate market seems to be uncertain at this point. Beyond real estate, China's overall economy is also experiencing slowdown due to weak domestic demand, and the nation has also facing economic challenges from trade tensions and rising labor cost, which is also becoming because of the shift towards a service-oriented economy. Moreover, we have seen the trend of nearshoring is also impacting the Chinese market. Apart from that, another major inhibiting factor is lack of skilled labor in this.
Thanks, Anju, to let us know that China is facing economic slowdown in real estate and lack of skilled labor are the major inhibiting factors of LVAC report. So, what strategies would you recommend to a buyer of this system when they wanted to
Yeah.
buy this?
So I would recommend choose intelligent AC drive technology. So with technological advancement, AC drives are becoming increasingly sophisticated and intelligent with many features and capabilities that are helping to improve the performance and efficiency of industrial automation system. The onboard intelligence of AC drives allow them to monitor the motor load and identify any potential problems early itself. So another key advancement in this technology we are seeing is integration of digital IOs, which enable AC drives to integrate more equipment and interact with more aspects of the system. The onboard digital tools and sensors enhance drive performance as these tools can be used to optimize the performance and troubleshoot and improve maintenance practices.
Great for recommending a buyer to choose intelligent AC drive technology. Is there any major trends?
Yeah. So one of the major trends that
How
we are seeing
can
is,
a buyers of this study can benefit?
yeah. So we are seeing one of the major trend, which is connectivity. So companies are wanting to have connectivity for their manufacturing processes and are adopting the digital technology. It's all about the digital world and collecting and analyzing data to turn into useful information to optimize performance and improve energy efficiency. So there's also movement with respect to technology that include AI, machine learning, and big data analytics. And these technology will further improve the performance and efficiencies of low voltage AC drives.
Good to know that sharing connectivity is one of the major key trends for the suppliers to adopt. But when you recommend for a buyer to purchase this study, like a supplier or a asset owner or a service providers, what would be your recommendations?
Yeah. So this study offers a comprehensive analysis of the low voltage AC drive market, which includes market size, growth trends, competitive landscape, and future outlook, and also serves as an effective planning guide, helping suppliers develop comprehensive business plan for marketing and product development. By understanding the market trends and dynamics, suppliers can better position themselves to meet the evolving needs of the industry. And by understanding the challenges and needs of the market, service providers can tailor their offering and address to the specific customer needs, thus also improving customer satisfaction. So I would say we aim to help all the stakeholders make better informed decisions and develop effective business plans for the future.
Thanks, Anju, for the excellent responses for the queries, and I'm sure clients will be benefited by listening to you. Audience can feel free to reach out to us by visiting our website through the link given in the description. You can also fill in the contact info on our website to have in-depth conversation more about how the market analysis report like this can help you and your company. Once again, thanks Anju Ajay Kumar for your time and thanks to the audience. It was a great discussion. Thank you.
Thanks, Leena.